Here's the exhilarating magic of programming, the ability to perform tasks repeatedly, like a well-oiled machine, without the need for constant human intervention. And in the world of Python programming, this enchanting power is harnessed through the ingenious use of loops. Hello and welcome to the E22 channel, your gateway to the world of algorithmic trading. In this important video, we'll delve into the power of loops and how they can help you automate trading strategies. Today we'll explore the concept of loops and also practical use of while loops and see how they can help us do things repeatedly. So, what are loops? And why do we need them in algorithmic trading? Here's a basic example in Python. We use the while loop to simulate trading. As long as the account balance is positive, the loop will keep executing our trading strategy. In this example, we decrement the balance with each order execution. As you can see, a single print function yields 10 outputs, demonstrating that the loop empowers us to perform a task 10 times with just a single code implementation. Now, let's explore the power of break statement in our code. Well, break statement allows us to exit the loop when a specific condition is met, giving us greater control over our trading algorithm or any other situation we might need it inside our algorithm. Next, we'll introduce the continue statement. The continue statement helps us skip certain iterations while keeping the loop running, a useful tool when dealing with complex trading strategies. Lastly, let's explore the else statement within a while loop. The else statement lets us execute code once the loop is finished, provided there were no break statements used. That wraps up our exploration of while loops. We hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please consider subscribing to the E22 channel for more comprehensive algorithmic trading insights. Don't forget to practice what you've learned and stay tuned for more in-depth content from E22, especially if you have problems understanding some of the concepts of this video. We will have some more practical examples of loops in our next videos. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.